Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to talk about will and would. Would is the past form of will. Now, this is another area where a lot of editors make this mistake. Please remember, both are modal verbs or helping verbs, and would is usually used in reported speech. Let me give you some examples. I say I will go to London. I said I would go to London. Now, both parts of the sentences change here. I said instead of say and would instead of will. You don't say, I said I will go to London. She said, I will visit you soon. She said, or she told me, she would visit me soon. I know I will have strawberries. I knew I would have strawberries. Not I knew I will have strawberries, as a lot of people say. That is incorrect. Or saying that she said, I will visit you soon. And she said, she told me she will visit me soon. Although that may be correct sometimes. That may be correct sometimes in the sense that that action is yet to happen or she is yet to visit you. But usually it is better to use past tense or past tense of both the verbs consistently. So she told me she would visit me soon. Please remember this simple rule. I know a big publisher who's been doing a lot of crime fiction books, most of which or a lot of which have this error. It's possible that they may have been done by the same editor, but honestly, it is very off-putting for the reader to come across wrong grammar, especially for a simple thing like will and would. So pull up your socks, guys. No, I'm not going to name the publisher and I'm not going to name the books, but really, please take care that things like this or errors like this don't happen. Okay, so if you like the video, please press the like buttons, the bell icon and the subscribe buttons, and we'll meet again soon. Bye.